Yes, dear students, the last few classes I taught regarding the non-conventional energy sources. All the topics already discussed in the last few classes individually topic wise. So, we discussed in the last few classes about solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy and MHD and geothermal energy. All these topics are there in the non-conventional source of energies. Today I am going to teach about the objective questions, in what way the objective questions may ask and in what way that we are going to analyze the question. If that means, for example, if the multiple choice questions are there, so there is a answer are very close to one and each. సో ఏ బిట్ బిట్ కరెక్టా, బి బిట్ కరెక్టా, సి బిట్ కరెక్టా, డి బిట్ కరెక్టా, అంత క్లారిటీగా ఉంటుంది, అంటే కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజన్ మోడ్లో ఉంటుంది. సో ఇన్ వాట్ వే దట్ వేఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు రికగ్నైజ్ విచ్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ ద రైట్ వన్, బికాస్ ఆల్రెడీ వీ హ్యాడ్ ద ప్లెంటీ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇన్ ద థియరీ మోడ్. సో మనకు ఆల్రెడీ అంతా మనం క్లాస్ అంతా విన్నాం. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ క్లాసిఫికేషన్, వాడు ఏం చేస్తాడంటే విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ నాన్ కన్వెన్షనల్ సోర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ అంటాడు. ఓకే, సో లైక్ ఆర్ in which year the exact tidal energy which was started, what about its efficiency as comparing to the all the kind of the non-conventional energy sources. Okay, or about the performance curve, that in the performance curve which one is the best, how we are going to identify. So these are the questions are there in the non-conventional source of energies. So let first of all the first question is question number 1. Which of the following is the high efficiency non-conventional source of energy? Which of the following energy having high efficiency. A, bit A, solar energy, B, wind energy, C, tidal energy and geothermal energy. Which of the following energy is having high efficiency? So I am going to analyze one. For example, solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, right? So just you think, which of the following, that is solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, which energy is available maximum? Okay, so let solar energy, if it is the right answer, I am going to give the clarity. Wind energy, why? Tidal energy, why? Geothermal energy, why? So for example, tidal energy, it is not that much available in overall year. Next, wind energy, this is also not continuously available. Geothermal energy, it is best, but establishment is more than the solar energy. So this is also the wrong answer. The best one is the solar energy. So because the availability of the resource is higher in solar energy. Okay, and establishment of the whatever the equipment which is required, establishment of the solar energy is very easy. That's what the efficiency and the availability of the resource of the solar energy, okay, that is higher. So efficiency is one of the best in solar energy. That is the question number 1. Next question, as the performance, that means first of all I am going to conclude which is belongs to the solar energy, right? Next question number 2. Which arrangement of the panel is receiving maximum solar energy? Which arrangement which arrangement of solar panel is best? 1. Flat plate collector. 2. Parabolic collector. Third one, circular collector. Solar track collector. Okay. So here the efficiency of the solar energy is totally depends upon how the arrangement of the collector is there. Collector in the sense solar radiation receiver. It is nothing but the collector. Flat plate is not that much because it cannot move, it cannot set. That means it will be set only one direction. Okay, the sun is not constant, the sun is always moving 180 degrees. Okay, 0 to 180 degrees. So sun rises in the east and sun set at the west. So occupy here, this one is the 180 degrees inclination, right? So if we are going to set the flat plate only one direction, it is not that much the efficient. Next, parabolic collector, it is okay, better than the first one. Circular collector, it is best than the first of the two. And the last one is the solar track collector. Solar track collector in the sense that the collector is moving which is parallel motion of the radiation, solar radiation or the sun. Okay, the sun is moving 0 to 180 degrees. The track is also parallelly moving to collect the maximum radiation from the sun. So here the which one is the efficient, which setup is the best one in the sense solar track collector is the best one. This is the bit number 2. Next one. Next question number 3. Question number 3 in solar energy. Question number 3 in solar energy. Alright. So coming to the best of the best. So that means here there are so many solar panels are there. So coming to the plant wise, that means for example, if the solar plant is in connection with the solar tracking system is there, solar pond system is there. Okay, these are the different types. So apart from that one, which is having the maximum power output, that is the power generation. Okay, so in solar energy, in solar power plant, which of the following high efficiency? Okay, so the first one, bit A, solar ponds. Second one, solar tracking. Third one, parabolic type. This is none. So the competition is only between solar ponds, solar tracking, parabolic. So already the solar parabolic is okay to collect the efficiency of the solar energy depends upon how much of the receiving capacity. ఎంత తీసుకుంటుంది సన్ నుంచి మనం ఎంత తీసుకుంటున్నాం, how it is connected to generate the electricity. It is okay, but this is not the right answer. And as parabolic, it is not up to the mark. It produces but not the maximum. None, forget about this one. And the only one answer is the solar ponds. Already I explained in the theory what is solar pond. Solar pond in the sense the radiation is totally concentrating where we store the water in a pond. So the hot water, that means the maximum hot water which is sending over to the boiler. So the boiler is converts the steam, and the steam is directly contact onto the turbine, so that which generates the maximum efficiency, that is maximum power. This is the right answer. Next question. The next question is, in solar power, in solar radiation, in solar radiation, in solar radiation, the absorption efficiency is having the maximum case. అంటే మనకి ఎక్కడ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. సో ఇన్ విచ్ ఏరియా ఇట్ ఈస్ ద maximum, that is the arrangement. The arrangement is the case. So here it is, in which country it is supposed to be added, or what is the range of the temperatures. So for example, low temperature, medium temperature and higher temperature. So which case is having the maximum capacity? Okay, right. So here the higher temperature, lower temperature, higher temperature in the sense the maximum receiving temperature from the solar into collector. The arrangement of the collector is different matter, but which temperature, that means in which case the maximum temperature is there. So see here, bit number 4. Which collector is collecting maximum temperature, okay. So already we have the different flat plate collector, curvature, parabolic, solar tracking system, solar ponds, all these are the different types are there. So here it is the maximum temperature in the sense, see, bit 1 less than 200 degrees centigrade, bit 2 approximately 200 degrees centigrade, bit 3 greater than 200 degree centigrade, fourth one less than 300 degrees centigrade. Okay, so I am going to explain which collector is collecting maximum temperature. Only one collector, that is about the parabolic type of collector. Okay, so which is collects the maximum temperature, but there is a deficiency or the minus point, disadvantage in the parabolic collector is it is fixed only one area. The high temperature is there in the sense it is having the parabolic, the reflection due to the reflection of the radiation which increasing the temperature, that is observed as the more than 200 degrees centigrade is parabolic type of collector. Parabolic type of collector, that is bit number 4. Next question. In our India, question number 5. In our India, which area is suitable to establish the solar power plant? In India, I am telling, in India, which place is mostly suitable for solar power plant? Solar power plant. Bit A, Bihar, B, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, D, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so as we know, in whatever I represent the states, which state is having the maximum temperature? So in summer particularly, right? So select the Bihar for example. By seeing the Bihar is the right answer, but it is wrong, because the Bihar is only the state which the temperature the temperature, daytime is the maximum temperature, night time it is totally cool. But the ventilation which is required for to generate the solar energy, night time is also very important here, because it is totally the desert area, almost it will be cooled in the night time, daytime is having the high temperature. But what we want to generate the temperature, both 24 hours that we need, so that this answer is the wrong answer. Coming to the Andhra Pradesh is the wrong answer. Next, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan. So, Madhya Pradesh is the best one. This is wrong answer. The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Here it is. Apart from the establishment, that means solar, already we selected one of the place, it is okay, fine. So, we discussed about the in our India. Next question is belongs to the abroad, that means overall worldwide. So, worldwide in which area the solar power plant is maximum utilized? Question number 7. Okay. In abroad, which place, which of the following, which country is generates the maximum solar power? Number first one, USA, Russia, third one is New Zealand, fourth one is India. Okay, so as we think, USA is the cold country, Russia is also the cold country, just use your common sense. The next option is New Zealand and India. New Zealand is the place which is mostly suitable for to generate the wind energy. Okay, right answer. And it is also generates the maximum power by using the solar energy. The two places which stands the number 1. This is the right answer. Wrong one, and this is the wrong one. The New Zealand is the establishment, the maximum solar power which is generated in the New Zealand. So, these are the questions which are there in the solar energy. Next, I want to explain the objective questions in wind energy. Next, wind energy. Wind energy. First question. Where the wind energy is firstly started in the globe, in worldwide? That is the first question. Which country started the wind energy? Number 1, again New Zealand, USA, third one India, and fourth one is Germany. Okay. In which year also that I am going to tell you. In 1950, New Zealand was started the first wind energy, because in New Zealand there is a specific area is there which is getting the maximum winds. Okay, so that particular area which is very close to the ocean. Okay, so sea, coastal areas is nothing but the sea, where the sea is available. There is a huge hill areas which are available in New Zealand. It is called as the steppes in the sense. So, huge hill area which nearby the bank of the sea. That's what the huge wind is coming over on to hit the hills. And so nowadays we are establishing the wind power plants on the sea surface also in a parabolic curvature. Already in theory that I explained about that one. So, this is the first one. This is the wrong answer. and wrong answer. Next question in wind energy. Question number 2. Question number 2. The arrangement of the wind turbines. The arrangement of the wind turbines is, which of the following is having the high efficiency? I am going to write the question here. Which arrangement of wind turbines having high output? Number 1, on earth, on ocean, by tower, C, group of towers. On earth, on ocean, by tower, by horizontal tower. Right. So on earth, okay, the lighter quantity of the wind velocity is impact onto the turbine blades, right. Next, on ocean, because the surface area is a larger which is observed on the sea level. So the maximum energy, the maximum output is when we want to establish the wind turbine, group of wind turbines on the surface of the ocean, so which is having the high output. This is the answer. Next question. Question number 4. Which type of wind turbine produces the maximum power? Which type of wind turbine produces maximum output power? 1. A, vertical turbine, B, horizontal turbine, C, multi blades, D, two blades, right. Usually vertical turbine in the sense the shaft is horizontal turbine in the sense the shaft is vertical. So the occupancy of the air which is impacting onto the blade is important here, okay. How many number of blades that you can establish, it is not the matter here, okay. And here multiple blades, what I am telling, multiple blades, wrong answer. 2 blades, not answer. This is also wrong. The right one is the vertical turbine. So almost you please observe on the coastal area, the establishment of the wind turbines is in a parabolic shape. Why it is arranged in the parabolic shape? In the sense the wind is covers the hit 1, hit 2, hit 3, like it is flowing like just like that one. That's what the arrangement of the wind turbines are in a parabolic shape. In the theory also that I explained here, this is the way it is arranged. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that the number of wind turbines are mounted, because the wind is not constantly moving in one direction. It is moving just like that one. That's what the arrangement is also. So to collect the maximum wind energy, we can arrange the wind turbines in a parabolic curvature, in a parabolic shape. So that is the fourth question which is there in the wind turbines. Next one. Which one is which arrangement is having the high efficiency? So that means I am going to draw the curve here once again. That is the question number 5. See the question number 5. So here it is. Which factor is having the high arrangement? That is Ideal rotor, multi-blade rotor, propeller blade rotor, and like that one. Okay. See, I am going to explain the curve here. In the question is also question number 5. Question number 5. The graph between KP and UBT. The curve between KP and UBT. I will tell what is KP and what is UBT. So KBT in the sense that is, so it is nothing but the performance of the coefficient of performance of the windmill, that is the KP, and nothing but the UT, wind velocity or the turbine speed of the blade. This is KP is nothing but the coefficient of performance of blade, and WBT, UBT. So UBT in the sense it is called as the speed blade tip. Okay. So I will give the curve here. You will give the question also. Question is also like this one. Question is also like this one. So see the question. In this we need to identify which one is the best one. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. So here it is, this direction KP, this is UBT, x axis and y axis, right. So this is ideal power, ideal rotor, multi-blade, 7 years, that means single blade, 7 years and propeller. Okay. BTA. The curve between KP and UBT is which is the best? Either ideal, B multi, C 7 years and D propeller. Okay. Ideal rotor in the sense it is only for the imagine, we don't want to select this one. The comparison is only this one and this one. So in the curve, by seeing ideal in the sense it is only imaginary. Okay. So we don't want to give the imaginary here, just like Carnot cycle in thermodynamics, Carnot cycle. So propeller, multi-blade and 7 years. 7 is having the less efficiency. Multi-blade propeller, it is a single propeller, it is not having that much the efficiency. Multi-blade is having, multi-blade means more than 2, not the many number, more than 2 in the sense 3 blades. This is the best one. So these are the questions which are there in the wind energy. Next, geothermal energy. Geothermal energy. Question number 1. What is the efficiency of the geothermal energy? Efficiency of the geothermal energy. Geothermal efficiency. A 50%, C 65%, D 70%, E 90%. Right? Actually, the geothermal energy is time based energy. That means for pulverizing in the sense whatever the raw material which is supplied into the panel, that means the ground panel, whatever the arrangement is there, okay, in a tub. So Here the inputs are water and as well as the cow dung. So water in the sense it is the H2O. It is reacted with the cow dung. Okay. So after 90 days only the output will come. That is a major disadvantage in the geothermal energy. So here we can expect the efficiency. It is not less than 50%, not more than 70%, not higher. It is only 65% we can expect the efficiency of the geothermal energy. Right. And the next question, which country started the geothermal energy? Right. Sorry. So geothermal energy. So geothermal energy is utilizing for different purpose. So different purpose in the sense I will tell you later. So see here. So geothermal energy is the energy which is available in the earth. Okay. So there are different layers are there. The last layer is the core of the earth. Okay. How many kilometers that we need to dig? Okay. So that is the second question. The second question is, how far the distance or how much the depth is required to generate or the availability of the geothermal energy, right? So what is the depth of core in earth to get the geothermal energy? Geothermal energy. A 3 kilometers, B 5 kilometers, C 7 kilometers, D 10 kilometers. So up to 7 kilometers the availability of the water is there. Okay. So the right answer is 10 kilometers is the core. For example, see, availability of the water, availability of the rock, availability of the temperature, geo. That means still the earth is having deep and the higher temperature in the core level. So that's what few of the areas we will get the volcanoes. So particularly where the coolest surface area is there. For example, Jammu and Kashmir, the surface area is the cooler one, but there only the volcanoes which is available in that particular area, right? Himachal Pradesh. So these two are the prominent areas where we can expect the volcanoes. Okay. So that is about the question number 2. Question number 3. In our India, which area is suitable to establish the geothermal power plants? In India, which area is suitable to establish the geothermal power plants? A. Bihar, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Rajasthan, D. Himachal Pradesh. So usually what we expect, Himachal Pradesh is the coolest area, so that it is not so far it is suitable for to establishment of the geothermal power plants. Okay. Bihar, surface temperature is higher, inside temperature is lower. Madhya Pradesh, same thing. Rajasthan, same thing. What I shared the information in the previously, that is Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir is the prominent places to establish the geothermal power plants. This is the right answer. So these are the questions which are there in the geothermal power stations. Next one is tidal energy. Fourth, tidal energy. Question number 1. Question number 1 is the less pollution as it is comparing with the traditional power plants. So, here the question number 1 is how much percentage of pollution in tidal power stations, tidal energy. A 0, B 20%, C 30%, D 50%. It is zero polluted because there is no raw material, there is no burning is there, so the pollution is totally zero. So, where we are establishing these tidal power plants? In coastal area. It is nothing but the where the tides which are getting. So, from the sea we can store in first stage and the second stage. So, whatever the energy which is stored in the reservoir, so that will be again it is supplied onto the turbine blades and the turbine can generate the power. That is less pollution, zero pollution. Next, when it is comparing with the traditional, 50% is the best. 50% is the best in efficient. That means less moving parts, only the turbine is rotating the part. It is connected to the generator, so which can convert the mechanical energy into electrical energy. Okay. Next one. Next energy is the biogas. Fifth one. Biogas power plants. Right. So, in this, in which year the biogas power plants are established in the world? That is the first question. In which year the biogas power plants are established? A 1950, B 1980, C 1990, D 1997. Okay, it is very oldest one. In 1950s it was established. Wrong answer. Only the right answer is in 1950s. So, these are the questions which you may ask in the non-conventional energy sources. Thank you very much.